Did you know your iPhone had a built-in screen recording app and you do not have to install any third-party application to record your screen? Don't worry, I'm here to help you out. The screen recording is hidden in the settings and disabled by default. To enable it, go to the settings app, scroll down and tap on control center. By default, you get few apps when you swipe down from top right for control center. But when you scroll down in the more controls section, you can see there is a screen recording option. Tap on the plus sign to add to the control center. Now when you swipe up, you can see it has been added to the list of included controls. Now when you swipe down from the top right for control center, you can see there is a screen recording icon. Let's swipe up and go to the home screen to change some settings in the screen recording app. Swipe down from the top right, press and hold the screen recording icon and you will be presented with the list of apps where you can save the screen recording. I will choose photos because we can edit the recorded video later to make changes, which I will show you later in the video, so make sure to watch till the end. Below the start recording, you can see there is a microphone toggle. You can turn it on to record audio while screen recording. You can use external mic as well by connecting it to your iPhone, or you can use the audio from the inbuilt microphone of your iPhone. To start the recording, tap on the screen recording icon and a 3-second timer will start before starting the recording. When the red dot appears, this indicates that the recording has started. You can also check if your screen is being recorded by the indicator of red bubble on the time on top left corner. So now you can navigate on your iPhone to continue recording the screen for your work. I will navigate to change the theme by going to display and brightness and toggle light and dark mode for demo purpose. Once you are done with your recording, you can stop the screen recording by tapping on the red symbol on the top left corner and tap on stop. You will get a notification on top where the recording has been saved. In my case, I had selected the Photos app purposely to show you more things which you can do to your screen recorded video. Open the Photos app and tap on the video to view the recording. Tap to pause and on the top right you can see edit option. Tap on it and now you can trim the video from the start as well as the end to remove the unnecessary parts of the video. You can adjust various settings and color grade your video. You can even add filters from the built-in list of presets, and on top of that you can adjust the rotation and crop of the video as per your requirement. Tap on top right icon as shown and you will be presented with crop preset ranging from square to portrait or landscape according to your needs to upload it on social media platforms. After editing the video, you can tap done on bottom right. Tap on save video to save the changes to the original video, and if you want to keep the original and want a copy of the edit made so far, then tap on save video as new clip. That's it for the screen recording app. Hope you found this video helpful and learned few things along the way.